Acoustic scene classification deals with the process of assigning a semantic label to an audio recording that represents a specific scene in nature. There are various practical applications of this, such as context-aware systems, robotics, and intelligent wearable systems. Earlier work on subspectral net forms the main inspiration for our work, wherein frequency band level differences are incorporated to capture the underlying discriminating features by training a CNN on these band-wise crops of input time frequency representations referred to as subspectrograms. The work done by our team consists of providing a region-wise nonlinearity in place of the earlier convolution operation, which is linear. This nonlinearity is introduced using the kernel trick, thus providing the added advantage of saving computational resources by avoiding the actual math needed to convert the data from a lower to a higher dimension. Our main aim is to show how nonlinearity introduced by convolution provides a better framework to understand acoustic scenes by establishing higher dimensional relationships in the data. We experimented with the polynomial and the Gaussian kernel for the task and achieved encouraging results with both. The proposed approach outperforms the CNN-based model in 8 out of 10 classes in the dataset. An improvement in accuracy of almost 15% was observed over the baseline model using the polynomial kernel, and using the Gaussian kernel resulted in an overall increase of around 18% over the baseline and 4% over the subspectral net architecture. The key takeaway from our work is the effectiveness of convolution-based models over traditional convolutional models in the field of acoustic scene classification, as is evident from the significant improvements achieved over the baseline. It is hoped that the current work would be beneficial for future research work and would be enhanced in the future by explorations with variations of kernels, subspectrograms, and other parameters. Thank you.